Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new episode of VLOGMAS. So today we are going to eat some Norwegian traditional Christmas food. It is called pinnekjøtt. It is basically just cured lamb meat, which you are rehydrating and cooking for a few hours, and you are serving it with some vegetables and some potatoes. Actually, I didn't like it when I was younger because I thought it looked nasty. So that's basically what we are going to do today. Tomorrow we are going to the Christmas market in the city and just doing some gift shopping. We are not done with all our gifts yet, but hopefully we will be at that tomorrow. And I'm sitting here drinking some Christmas soda. This is actually something that's a tradition here in Norway. We have Christmas soda. It seems weird, but it is very normal to us Norwegians. And the Christmas soda can be brown or red. I prefer the brown one because that's the soda I had when I was little. So yeah, that's a fun fact about Norway. And through this week I'm thinking we are going to do some Christmassy things because I don't have that Christmas spirit yet. So I'm trying to do things that gives me that holiday Christmas spirit, and hopefully I will get it before we are traveling to the cabin, hopefully. But I haven't had Christmas spirit in a few years now, so I don't have the biggest hopes for that. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys and say that. I think the rest of the day we are just going to just watch a movie or something like that. And yeah, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do vlogs and videos about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I will talk to you guys very soon. So today it is Tuesday and I have just filmed some reels for you guys. So I made a complete mess here. But I was thinking about opening some Christmas presents because I cannot wait with you guys. So yeah, that was what I was thinking about today. And also I will film some videos so I have for the holidays. I haven't done so much exciting things. Yesterday I was just basically home and prepared the videos, and on Sunday we were actually at the Christmas market here where I live, but we are thinking about going later this week because on Sunday it was so cold. It was 14 minus degrees, so it was very cold. So we was only into 2 or 3 shops because it was so cold. So that's the plan for the week, and today we are going to open some gifts, as I said. So yeah, the first one have you actually seen. This is the Dior Bobby bag, which I recently unboxed for you guys. If you haven't seen it, be sure to check out the video. I will leave it in the description box so you can watch that. And let's move on to some exciting items. So here you can see my mess, and here are some gifts from Hermès. I was thinking about that we could open 2 of those now. The last one is going to wait until after Christmas, I think. And I also have something from Loewe, which I'm going to unbox for you guys now. So yeah, we can start with the first one, which is from Loewe. I actually got this in the mail yesterday, I think. And I cannot wait to open it. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm very excited to see. So here is the item that I have bought for myself for Christmas. It looks a little bit weird, but it is a sweater with high neck, I think. It looks like this when you have it on. It is very pretty. I think this is going to fit. I think this is going to be very stunning. So yeah, I can try it on straight away so you can see what it looks like. So here is the sweater on. I have a sweater underneath now, and I think I will keep it because it was so soft, and I miss a sweater like this that I can just throw on me. And here you can see the knit. It is quite thick, but it doesn't itch at all, which is very good for me. So yeah, that was the first item. And the next item is the smallest Hermes item. So let's open it up. And I actually ordered this through my essay from the website, and I saw that they had the Christmas bows where it says Noel, so that was a very nice touch. I really love it. I haven't gotten any Christmas bows from my local Hermes boutique, so that was quite new to me, but let's unbox it. And these are the Jeanne d'Arc earrings. And these are in rose gold, and they are so stunning. And I couldn't resist them because they are the perfect size. And yeah, let's try them on. So here you can see how it looks like on. They are quite small and elegant, so I really love that. I think that I'm going to wear these every day because they are just the perfect everyday earrings. I'm very happy with that. And let's move on to the last Hermes Christmas gift that I'm going to show you guys today. The last one will wait until over Christmas because I need time to process it, but I can tell you that it is something very, very good. And I didn't think at all that I was going to get it, but I was so lucky, and yeah. Let's move on to this. And this is actually something that I have wanted for over a year now, and I have been searching for it in, I think, 1.5 years. So now I finally have it, and I can't wait to use it. So let's open it up. And also here I order it through my essay from the website. So let's open. And these are my new Hermes teacups. This is in the teacup size. Let's take out that and that. Just look at them. I really love them, and they come very handy when I newly bought my Nespresso machine. So yeah, I'm very happy about that. Here is what they look like, and here is the saucer, very pretty. So yeah, I really love it, and I can't wait to use it. I think I will use them a lot in the Christmas time with hot chocolate or tea and coffee. So yeah, I cannot wait to use them. And yeah, that was it. So that was it for this mini Christmas haul. I'm going to make a longer video with everything that I got for Christmas when the time comes. But so far, this is what I have gotten, and I'm very happy about that. There are some things that I'm going to use every day, especially these, and also the coffee cups. And today I'm just going to film some videos for you guys. And I think tomorrow I'm going to go outside and do some things, but I don't know yet. Maybe I will go out this weekend because it is the last weekend before Christmas. Yesterday we were actually out and about shopping some Christmas gifts, but it wasn't anything exciting. I promise that I will do a better job this week than I did last week because I was sick, but I'm feeling better and I will take you guys with me through this weekend. And it is quite difficult to do some things here where I live because there are so little things to do, and I really want to live in a big city where I can do many different things. Also, it's a lot bigger and there are so many things to do there. But next week we are going back again, and yeah, that was it for now, and I will talk to you guys very soon. So the plan for today is that we are going to go out and eat some dinner, but we are also going to shop a little bit for Christmas. There are a few gifts left that we haven't shopped yet. So that's the plan, and I think that we are going to go to the Christmas market. In the last vlog I was there quite in a rush, but now we are going to just go and look a little bit and take more time there. So yeah, that's the plan for today. We are leaving for Oslo in a few days now, so I don't think it will be much more content from home here, and that's a positive thing because there is so little to do here. It is only the Christmas market, I feel. But yeah, I'm looking forward to going to Oslo again because I have an appointment with my essay, so we are going to go there and do a little bit. And I think we are going also to buy the rest of the gifts in Oslo. But today we are going to buy the gifts that we need to drop off here where I live. So yeah, I'm looking forward to our dinner reservation today. We are going to eat at a new restaurant. I have heard so many good things about it, but I don't have my hopes up yet because I'm quite picky when it comes to food. So yeah, let's go out and do some shopping.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.